It is very important to have a friend because he or she is the one with whom we can share both our happiness and sorrows together. Moreover, it is said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. A true friend will always help you at the time of need. It is not necessary that our friend should be intelligent or very knowledgeable. जिस तरह से सन रेज से अंधेरा मिटता है, in the same manner, friend can remove troubles from our life. When a knife rubs against the stone, it becomes sharper. In a similar way, even though friend doesn't know too many things, he can help us out. Sharing one's problem with friends is far more fruitful and even is much better than keep it hidden inside the heart. If we share our problems, our troubles with our friends, it increases happiness and reduces pain. A true friend acts like sun rays in our life. A good friend always gives you good advice. Sometimes we need advice in our life. Many unsolved questions are swirling in the mind. In such situation, we get advice from the friend. It's a very good thing. Friend's advice is necessary and an advice that matches with others' advice. An advice cannot be taken into parts. It can be harmful. There are some people who take advice into parts. Take little from here, take little from there. But an advice taken into pieces don't work much well. Take advice from only one person and that too from your friend. I mean trustworthy person. Here take an example of a patient. He is running to many doctors. Some doctors know his history, some doctors don't. He cannot be benefited and not be able to get rid of disease. This is very dangerous to him. If you don't have friend and you give advice yourself, it is like some kind of flattering. Your friend is able to give you both personal as well as professional advice. He can give you advice which is relevant. Not only this, a friend tells you about your mistakes. Sometimes even people make big mistakes in their career and business because they don't have mentor. If a friend is not worth giving advice, that friend also equally important. Why so? That friend is like a stone that can be rubbed in order to get shine in your thoughts. मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर आप पत्थर के सामने अपना दुख बांटोगे, पत्थर के सामने बैठ के अपना दुख शेयर करोगे, तो आपको कुछ हद तक राहत मिलेगी. Share your thoughts with such friends. In big cities, people are scattered. The bigger the cities, the greater the distances among people. There is no fellowship. On the other hand, in villages, people live nearby and they are able to take care of each other in a better way. People could be alone in the crowd and may feel scattered. A person who says, I don't need anyone to be alive, that means he is not a normal human being. That man thought himself to be superior. If any scholar or sadhu mahatma said that they don't need anyone, we can agree to some extent. But some people are really showy. Even though they feel sad, lonely, they will remain stubborn and not ready to change their opinion. They pretend that they don't need anyone else. They don't need companionship. So such people are wild. They aren't among humans. Everybody needs friend. Even the great kings have been in need of friendship. How strange is that the great king have eaten this fruit of friendship, either for their safety or their companionship. If they didn't have friend, what would they do? Kings also had friendship with other middle rank people, or most of the times to raise certain servants or subordinates to such high rank with whom they can share what they felt like. Such people are used to take care of king. They have been called partners of cares. It's not that all these kings didn't have families. They didn't have power. They had everything. All these eminent men had access to life. They had wife, children, cousin. They had wealth. They had everything. But what is that they didn't have? They didn't have true friend. True friends are source of inspiration. Many times they taught us that whatever we do, we should give it our best like many other people. I have also friends. Whenever I need some suggestions, I ask for help and they help me, as they are very sensible person. Our friend can fit into a lot of roles. There are many things that a man cannot do himself. At this time, friend is an appropriate alternative. See, a man owns a single body, single brain, and that can be confined to a single place only. Friend can exercise other roles also. A friend can act as a bridge. For example, there are certain things father is not able to share with his child, because here a man is talking to his son as a father. In this time we need certain friends who can explain such things in better way. It's not so easy to open the heart. A true friend works to bring out fear, suspicion, grief, whatever feelings hidden inside. Our thoughts are like treasure. Unless and until it comes out in open, their beauty is unknown. A true friend will always help you unload emotional burden. I hope you like this video. I will be back with another topic. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.